handbag lovers. Thank you for stopping by, and welcome if you're new, and if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm excited to share some Coach unboxings. I have a few more from their Back to Brighter collection, as well as some items with the art school graphic print, which I think you're going to think is pretty cool. I have a small leather good that I picked up from their Peanuts collection, and then I have some what I think, or what I didn't realize, were bag charms to share. I think you're going to love this video, so please keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. So I'm going to start with this first box. And I will try to make this quick. I believe this is one of the items with the art school graphic. So let's check her out. And it also has one of the items from the Back to Brighter that I picked up. I'm going to share, you will notice from a prior video that I had picked up a lot of items from their Back to Brighter collection. So I wanted to get something else after seeing some other videos. But this is a tote with the art school graphic, and let me open this up for you. Oh my God, she is so cute. So this is the tote with art school graphic, and the style number on this bag is, hope you can see it, but it is C5683. Looks like it's in a canvas material. It has New York City written on the bottom, has the horse and carriage, the wheels with the bright pink wheels with the black bright pink, has like some embroidering on the wheels, has a doggy face there. I'm not sure what that's all about. Since 1941, Coach. Then the yellow lightning rods there from the carriage. How cute. Let me get into this bag really quick so you can see what it's all about. Get rid of the stuffing. Give me a moment here. Okay, so let's take an all-around look. Again, it's made with a canvas material. It has a leather lining down the side, which is really cute. It has the web straps, which are like in a pink and burgundy color. And then I believe this top strap is also in leather, and it is leather with the web. On the inside of the bag, it has two slip pockets here. It has a zipper pocket on the back. It has a leather zipper pull. It has a gold trim. It has a nice pocket there. Very cute. So this is their tote, gold tone hardware, and a snap closure. Very cute. I just love this design. As soon as I saw it, I had to go back and get it. So that's the tote. Let me open the next item here. I believe this is the wristlet, but let's just give her a look here. Nope, that's not the wristlet. This is the Charlie Brown item from the Peanuts collection. I'm going to post a link to my Peanuts video when they drop the Peanuts collection and share with you all the cute things that I got. But I had mentioned in that video that I also went back, or was able to get this Charlie Brown slim bifold card wallet. You'll remember from my prior haul, I got it in the, oh, excuse me, snapped on there. I got it in the blue color. So I'll leave the details to that video, but I just wanted to share that I did finally get this one to come in, which is so cute in this yellow color. All right, so now let me get to the unboxing of what I think is the matching I believe is the matching wristlet to that art school graphics tote. But let's just see here. Drop that down there. Here's the box. Nope, that's not it. So this is pretty interesting. Maybe we'll get there at some point. If not, I might have it in another box somewhere and I'll append to this video. So this is from the Sephora collection. I saw these things on sale, and this particular item is the Coach T-Rose nail set. They had these on the Coach outlet site for some time, and I saw that they just put them on a really low price, so I thought I'd grab them up. In my next video, I will show you what they look like on my nails, but it looks like it has some little decals that goes on top of the colors. So I'll have to do my nails up and share that with you. And then let me open this last box here and see what's in here, which I don't think it's the wristlet, so I'm gonna have to find my Art Deco wristlet and come back for that. So let's see what is in this one. So these three items were also a part of that Sephora collaboration with Coach, and I wanted to pick these up because they too were on sale. And what I learned, so this one is the Coach Sephora collection Rexy eyeshadow palette, and what I saw on a prior video from the YouTuber Coach Craze is that she was doing a video in the store and she saw these and she indicated that they were bag charms, which I didn't know these were bag charms. I thought they were really just eyeshadow, and I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow, so I was thinking I wouldn't buy it, but when she said it was an actual bag charm, I'm like, hey, let me check that out. So here it is. At least this one is the Coach Rexy, and that's a bag charm, but this is a huge bag charm, so I'm not really sure about that. What do you think? That's really big. I'd probably maybe on a tote give it a try, depending on the colors, and I'll give the eyeshadow to my daughter because she is into makeup in that way. So let me open these all up quickly so you can see them. Also has a mirror, so I guess that would be nice. And then it has the eyeshadow palette. I wonder if that's removable. I'll have to check that out because I wouldn't want that on my bag if it's not. So let me open up these other two and show you what I got. Okay, and then this last item you see sitting up here is, again, I posted a video of the Back to Brighter collection, and after seeing some of the other videos of other people, I saw this and I went back to get it. I'm like, I thought I was done with the Back to Brighter, but talk about YouTube made me do it. I was thinking about it, so I said, you know what, why not? It is the eyeglass case in the Back to Brighter colors, and it does have the print throughout. It has the leather hook so you can hook it to your bag. It's in the silver hardware, and on the inside it's what you would expect, which is for your eyeglass case. So I thought that was a cute match to the other items that I already picked up, so I'm looking forward to wearing that. And I will click a link to the video so you can see what else I got from that collection, but I wanted to get this one because it was so cute. So let me check and just get that art school graphic. Okay, so I'm back with my wristlet that I couldn't find, and you know why I couldn't find it? It's because it wasn't in the box. So I'm filming this a couple days later from the original unboxing, but let me just open this up really quick. Oh, I hate these boxes. So I can show you this wristlet. I had to call Coach and say, hey, you missed something, and they shipped it to me overnight. So here it is. Let me thank you for shopping at Coach. You've seen these before. And this is the receipt, which is zero additional cost, obviously. Okay, so I was so excited to get this. I was kind of disappointed when it wasn't in the original bag. But this, let me take all the stuffing out of her. This is the large Coach wristlet with art school graphic that matches the tote that I shared. So she is in canvas and refined pebbled leather, just like the tote. She has leather all around, from the sides, the bottom. She also has leather on this tab and the zipper pull. She has gold toned hardware, including this chain that you can attach as a wristlet, or you can attach it to carry it as a small little handbag. What attracted me to this is obviously the print, and it is like an embroidery. On the New York City is embroidered, and it has the same graphic as the tote, the wheels with the pink, and they're kind of raised as well. I'm not sure if you can see that with the Coach. And I think this is so cute in the black and the canvas. Has the black zipper tape, so very cute. The dimensions on this is, it is 7.5 inches in length, it's 4.5 inches in height, and it is 2 inches in width. And I thought let me open it up. She's black on the inside. As far as organization, she does have a pretty wide pocket that goes the length of the bag, and then she also has 2 credit card slots. But how cute and colorful is this graphic? That's definitely what attracted me to this little bag and the matching tote. So let me show you her information. So the item number is C5609. Hope that's showing up for you. And I thought I would just take some things out of my current bag, which you've seen in a prior video, and just show you what fits in this little wristlet here. Seems like she'll be able to fit a lot. So if you just want to carry her by herself for a quick trip. So you already saw that she fits 2 credit card slots. I'm gonna put my keys in there. I am also going to put my little key clay in there. And then let me see what I can take out of my pretty pouch to put in here. So I'm gonna put some lotion. Okay, I'm going to put my mirror. Looking pretty good there. And then I can put my Aquaphor lip repair and my MAC lipstick, Trusty Dusty. And you know I have 2, but I'm just not gonna even go there today. And then I have my soft lips as always. Hope that's showing up. And then I'm gonna add my little Louis Vuitton perfume. Again, just taking this stuff out of my current carry. And then I could add money in there, and also a couple credit cards. Let me see if I can just add my Clorox wipes in there, if that's even necessary. Kind of a tight fit, but hey, I got it. So that gives you an idea of what fits in this little pouch or wristlet. And there she is, just perfect. I have my keys. I can put credit cards I didn't add in here yet. Some cash. I could probably put a little card case. Some on-the-go beauty products. Probably should add a hand sanitizer in here. But I just really wanted you to see what fits. So that's it. That's the large wristlet with art school graphic that I'm adding to my prior video. Thank you guys. We'll talk soon.